Public Library. Welcome to another edition of Kids in the Kitchen. Today's recipe is apple pie pizza. And this recipe came from the American Girl Library Cookbook. And the cookbook is called the Mix It Up Cookbook. For this recipe, our apple pie pizza, we're going to need 6 golden delicious apples, a half a cup of cranberries, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of white sugar, a pizza crust. Now you can either make your own pizza crust or you can buy a pizza crust, a stick of butter, and we're going to make this apple pie pizza on a pizza pan. Now, my pizza pan has a lot of holes in it. You may have a different kind. There's lots of different pizza pans out there. But in order to conquer that, I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper on it. So to begin, I'm going to put my pizza crust on my pizza pan. So my pizza pan is wrapped in a piece of paper, so I'll just undo it. Now some pizza crusts are round and some pizza crusts are not. This looks like a rectangle or a square. Now, with this pizza crust, let me move it over a little bit. So your pizza crust is all spread out on your pizza pan. So now you're going to take your half a cup of granulated sugar and just sprinkle it on. And then bake it. We're not going to be putting the apples on the pizza in the oven. That part we're going to do on the stove. So you're going to totally bake your pizza crust now with the sugar on top. See you in a few minutes. Now I've decided while my pizza crust is baking, I am going to peel my apples. So I'm going to peel my 6 golden delicious apples. I'm going to peel them, core them, and slice them. And then I'm going to put them in a bowl of cold water. I might put a little lemon juice in, which will prevent them from turning brown. So I'll see you in a couple minutes. Okay, my apples are all peeled and cored. So now we're going to go to the stove and we're going to melt our stick of butter and our cup of brown sugar. So I'll see you at the stove. All right, now that we're at the stove, we're going to turn our burner on to medium high. And we're going to put in our butter. Scrape your butter wrapper, make sure you get it all. And we're going to put in our brown sugar, a cup of brown sugar. And we'll stir it up. After the butter and the brown sugar and the butter are dissolved together, then we're going to add our apples and our cinnamon and simmer it for 5 to 7 minutes until the apples are soft. So we want to bring it up to a gentle boil. We want to make sure everything is mixed in. Now I'm going to dump in my apples. Dump in my cinnamon. You hear them? I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to keep cooking it, simmering it for 5 7 minutes. Once your apples are soft, then we're going to take it off the heat and we're going to put it on our pizza crust. So I'll see you in 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, my apples are cooked. I cooked them for probably about 8 minutes, so until they're soft. And now I'm going to dump in my cranberries. I'm just going to dump them in, stir them in. So now we're going to let it sit. We're going to let it sit and get cool. I would say, oh, maybe a half hour. Because we're going to put it on our cooked and sugared pizza crust next. That's what we'll do next. And putting your cranberries in there will make them plump up. So I'll see you in a little while. Hello friends, our apples look to be done. So we're going to put them on our pizza crust. Move this back, they're nice and cool. Here's our pizza crust. Now that I'm going to put them on my pizza crust, I'm using a slotted spoon. I'm going to leave the juice behind and put just the apples and the cranberry on the crust. So, you know, it's going to be kind of drippy. So take your time. There's plenty. This is as good as an apple pie. It's amazing how much the apples cook down. Yes. Now, some people like to have ice cream with this or whipping cream. That's up to you. So now I'm going to use my pizza cutter and just cut it up. We'll put a nice piece on our plate. There we go. Enjoy your wonderful apple pizza pie. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.